everyone, welcome back to another Stevie Linens video. Today we're showing you the quickest way to make a balloon garland. Whether you're decorating for a birthday party, wedding, or any other special occasion, do-it-yourself balloon garlands are a popular party decor idea. Balloon garlands are an affordable way to instantly transform parties into grand celebrations. So how do you make a balloon garland? There are many ways to make them, but one of the easiest ways to make balloon garlands is using a balloon garland art strip. Also known as balloon tape, this clear plastic strip has cutout slots to quickly make organic balloon garlands. Simply inflate balloons in assorted sizes and slide the neck of the balloons through the cutouts. Make sure you leave extra space to attach the garland to your preferred backdrop stand. This balloon garland was attached to the ends and middle of the stand using pipe cleaners, but you can also use zip ties or 260 balloons. Use 5-inch balloons and glue dots to fill in any empty spaces. Once you've done that, your balloon garland is ready. Feel free to include any additional props to complete your garland. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thank you again, and we'll see you on the next one.